If you want to uninstall ibisPaint because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall ibisPaint on Windows 11 and in Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate ibisPaint. Click on the three dots to open the ibisPaint options. Click on Advanced Options. Locate the Uninstall option. This will uninstall ibisPaint and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The ibisPaint app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. If you want to reinstall the app, first open the Microsoft Store. Search for ibisPaint. Click on ibisPaint. Press Get. Wait for ibisPaint to be downloaded and installed. Now open ibisPaint. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.